What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and what you just witnessed was the official teaser for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, in which we saw that there are two smartphones in an ocean which are circling around each other and then merging into the single phone. So the rumors are true and every single detail which we covered earlier about these smartphones were true, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will indeed be a part of a Note series of the Samsung's lineup. Now, before getting into this video further, if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now, starting off with the display of the phone, then the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be coming with a 6.8 inch of an dynamic AMOLED 2.0 display, and indeed it will be a 120Hz of high refresh rate and HDR10 plus content supported too. Now, the peak brightness of this phone will be of 1500 nits, and it will be a QHD plus display, and you will be getting a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front and the back. Now, talking about the other specifications, such as the major thing about the cameras, then it will be coming with a quad camera setup with a primary camera of 108 megapixels, and it will be a Samsung sensor itself too, and the second camera will be of 10 megapixel of 3x telephoto zoom and 10 megapixel of a periscope zoom. Note that there will also be an ultra wide camera which is of 12 megapixels, and the front selfie camera will be of 40 megapixels. Now, there is also a fifth hole in the backside of the camera layout, and it's for the laser autofocus. And now, talking about the S Pen, then it will be coming with a more reduced latency of 2.8 milliseconds. The phone will be available in the following storages, which are the base RAM will be now up to 12 gigabytes, base RAM of 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is not being upgraded to a 256. And the other specifications goes up to a 16 GB RAM and half a terabyte of storage in the smartphone. The phone will be coming with a 5000 mAh battery with a 45 watts of fast charging support, and it will be coming with the Exynos 2200 processor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 according to regions. But it has been known most of the times, as it has been revealed, that the Samsung will be coming with the 8 Gen 1 processor in the wider area, and we have also covered earlier in the videos. Now, if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.